Dr. Konstantin, and we're going to talk about something very important today. A lot of people are asking me how to find the best plastic surgeon for my facelift. Now, this is actually very easy. Just follow my recommendations and you will find an amazing doctor. So the first thing you do, you have to find a board certified surgeon. Now, there are two different boards that certify the doctors who do facelifts. One is American Board of Plastic Surgery, and another one is American Board of Facial Plastic and Reconstructive Surgery. You can find the links in the description. You go to their website, you type your zip code, and it will give you a list of doctors in your area who are board certified, right? So this is something that you're going to start with. So the first thing you did, you found a list of board certified plastic surgeons who practice in your area. The problem is the list can be a bit too long. For example, in New York, you can find over 100 plastic surgeons who are board certified to perform facelifts, right? And of course, you need to find the best out of those 100. So the next step is to figure out which of those plastic surgeons specialize in facelifts, right? Because when you look at their websites, you can see that some doctors do a lot of breast implants, some doctors do tummy tucks, some doctors do rhinoplasties, but there will be a few doctors who will say that their specialty is the facelifts, and those are the doctors that you want to pick. So at this point, you've selected a few board certified surgeons who specialize in facelifts. So there's just a couple of other things you can do before you schedule your consultation. First, I would recommend looking at patients' reviews. So make sure that you read those reviews that are written by the patient who got the same procedure that you're looking for. Because if the doctor excels at fillers and has hundreds of reviews of very happy patients who got fillers or Botox, but not so many reviews of the facelifts, then probably this is not going to be your first choice. The next thing that you're going to do is to look at before and after pictures. And this is probably the most important thing that you can do to find the right doctor. You have to make sure that you like those before and after pictures, and there's a sufficient number of those pictures on the doctor's website to give you an idea of what kind of work they do. Now, typically a busy facelift surgeon can post easily 30 or 40 before and after photos of people of different skin types, different facial structures, and different age on their website. You can find somebody with a face similar to yours and really scrutinize those results. If you like the results, it's time to schedule your consultation. So at this point, you did several consultations and hopefully you're ready to pick the surgeon who is going to do your facelift. Now, if you still have doubts, don't hesitate, schedule another consultation, look at before and after pictures again, or maybe even potentially talk to the former patients of that doctor and see what they have to say. Hopefully all of this will help you to select the best doctor for your facelift. Good luck. This is Dr. Konstantin.